Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon tablet. To begin, power on your device by holding the power button for about 3 seconds. Next, connect to your home Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the available options and inputting your password. You'll then register your tablet to your Amazon account, which links all your purchases and content. Finally, familiarize yourself with the home screen, where you can swipe through pages and tap icons to launch applications. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Your Amazon tablet is a gateway to a world of entertainment. Head to the Amazon App Store to find thousands of applications, from games to productivity tools. For reading, the Kindle app offers millions of ebooks, while Audible provides an extensive collection of audiobooks. Stream your favorite movies and TV series using Prime Video or enjoy music with Amazon Music. Remember to regularly check your device's storage, typically ranging from 16 to 64 gigabytes, to manage your downloaded content efficiently. Make your Amazon tablet truly yours by customizing its settings. Navigate to the Settings menu to adjust the display brightness and font size for optimal viewing comfort. You can also fine-tune notification preferences for each app, ensuring you only receive alerts that matter. For families, robust parental controls allow you to set screen time limits and filter content, providing a safe environment for younger users. Additionally, explore accessibility options, such as text-to-speech, to tailor the experience to your specific needs. To get the most out of your Amazon tablet, master a few key features. Take a screenshot by simultaneously pressing the power and volume down buttons for 1 second. Boost your productivity with split-screen mode, allowing you to use 2 apps at once, like browsing the web while taking notes. Optimize battery life, which can last up to 12 hours, by enabling power-saving modes. Finally, harness the power of Alexa for hands-free control, asking questions, or managing smart home devices with simple voice commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.